Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing your capture tool and confirming permissions. Use a 360 camera or the Street View app on your phone. Make sure location, camera, and storage are enabled. Once done, mount or steady the device at chest height and verify time/date stamps and battery level. Walk the planned route slowly, stopping at regular intervals to capture spherical photos or single photo mode frames. Make sure you capture overlapping views so stitching works well, and your route is continuous for upload. You focus now on technique and metadata so stitching and placement are accurate. Keep 20 to 30% overlap between consecutive 360s or frames. This helps the software align seams. If GPS is weak, pair an external GPS logger and import the track later so locations align. Otherwise, rely on the app's recorded path. Once done, organize photos with clear file names and consistent timestamps so batch processing matches capture order. Make sure exposure remains consistent to avoid visible seams during. You finish by uploading and verifying the tour. Use the Street View. Apps contribute publish flow or import photos into Street View on desktop for bulk uploads. Confirm each photo's position and orientation along the connected path. Once done, publish and inspect on maps to confirm continuity and blurring/privacy settings. If you hit problems, troubleshoot by reprocessing in stitching software, syncing or correcting GPS timestamps, or retaking the specific shots that show misalignment or exposure jumps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.